Hey again, YouTube. I'm back with my fourth unpacking of this 80 baseball cards from Dollarama by Presstine Marketing, and it's $3. Pretty good for 80 cards. Alright, we'll do the left side first. Alright, Miguel, Montero. Sorry if I butcher these names. Like I said, I don't follow baseball. Holland. Bob Kipper. Mackey, Sasser. Andreas Thomas. I've got this guy before. Blue Jays, an old Blue Jays, Willie, Blair. Bip Roberts. That's a nice name, Bip. Ken Oberkfell from the Braves. Young Guns, 1993, David McCarty. Zane Smith. Dennis Rasmussen. Mark Eichhorn. Greg Olson. Jamie Moyer. Mike Morgan. Oh, I almost thought that was an actual auto for a sec. Is it? No. No, I don't think it is. Felix Pye. San Diego Padres team checklist. Roberto Hernandez. Steve Klein. Team Naring. I've heard of this guy, Todd Stottlemyre. Old Donruss, Mike Flanagan of the Blue Jays. John Olerud, Blue Jays AL batting championship or champion. This guy has a series of motels. Howard Johnson. No, I know it's not the same. Scott Brosius, the Oakland Athletics. Mike Harkey. Ray Fontenot. Ernie Whitt. Mark Langston, we've got this guy before. Willie Fraser. Gerald Perry. Lee Lacy. Major League prospects, Tom Dries and Dan Howitt. Rick Leach. Red Sox leaders, Boston Red Sox leaders. Oh, this card looks old. Oh, 82. There's the oldest card I've ever gotten out of these packs. 82 Donruss. Oh man, that's old, eh? 1982. Jody Reed. Charlie Huff. Jamie Schultz. And Andre Ethier. Alright. I'll go to the right hand side of that pack. Nomar Mazara. Texas Rangers. Jack Wilson. Another Charlie Huff. Look at that. Joey. Oh, another 82 Donruss, guys. Jeez, those are old cards. Joey McLaughlin. Ron Romanek. John Wayner. Ricky Gutierrez. Darren Holmes. Pat Tabler. Jim Gott, I've got this guy before as well. Denny Walling. Jerry Reed. The Mariners. Tom Glavine of the Braves. Look at that, another Jody Reed. Just got this guy, Jody Reed. Vance Law. Mike Campbell. Ken Daly, Jerry Reese, Charlie Palello, Nick Levia, Dave Speum, Kevin Youkilis, Dan Herron of the Arizona Diamondbacks. Oh, Turkey Red. I think, aren't these worth money? I'm not sure. Topps Turkey Red, Guerrero, number 425. I don't know, I always thought Turkey Reds were rare or expensive, but I don't know. Well, it's one Turkey Red card there. Edgar Martinez, Seattle Mariners. Mark Grant, Paul O'Neill, Wes Gardner. Oh, look at that. Is it an Expos? It is the Expos. Moises Alou, Montreal Exports. Oh, Howard Johnson again. Him and his motels. Kirk McCaskill. Kurt Miller. It's a Young Guns. Kurt, same last name as me. Braves. Ken Oberkfell. Rail Cormier. Mike Devereaux. Joe Vitello. Clay Parker. Steve Jeltz. Cardinals claim 11 championship. World Series Game 7. Topps Heritage card. And last card in the pack is Brad Lidge of the Philadelphia Phillies. Thanks for watching, guys.